Hey everybody, Brian here from Jetboil, and this is the brand new Stash. Our engineers went all out with this one and created the lightest stove system that Jetboil has ever made. Let's check it out. First things first, the Stash is 40% lighter than any other Jetboil stove system. It weighs just 7.1 ounces or 200 grams. Think about that. 7.1 ounces is practically nothing. It's pretty much a pair of socks. To shave all that weight, the engineers kept the Stash as simple as possible while still giving you all of that uncompromised cooking performance you'd expect from Jetboil. The stove itself has a titanium burner, and as you can see, there's no igniter or regulator on this thing, which saves a ton of weight. Now that means that the Stash is part of the fast boil category of stoves, which means it's best for things like freeze-dried meals or coffee and tea on the trail. That nearly non-existent weight means it's the perfect stove for anyone who is serious about counting grams and keeping things as lightweight and compact as possible, whether you're through hiking or on a big multi-day bikepacking trip. Now, just because it's lightweight doesn't mean it skimps on cooking performance. The Stash features the same flux ring technology that you see on other Jetboils, which means it uses half the amount of fuel to boil twice as fast. The Stash boils 2 cups of water in just 2.5 minutes, which means it's perfect for most dehydrated meals or a cup of coffee. The Stash has 3 support arms that fold out for stability, and the 0.8 liter cook pot slots right into these little notches, which makes it incredibly stable. The cook pot also has handy measurement lines on the inside, and it's the perfect size for the majority of backpacking meals. If you're cooking for 2, you're gonna love the fast boil time that this thing has. It's also designed to work with whatever pot or pan you've already got, like the Jetboil Summit skillet that I've got right here. Instead of a cozy like some other Jetboil models, the Stash features a silicone grip that folds over for easy storage. The lid also features a pour spout, and the system comes with a fuel can stabilizer as well. The other thing that makes the Stash so great is how compact the whole system is. When you're done using it, fold the arms back in and flip over the bail, stow the fuel can stabilizer in the bottom of the cook pot, flip the stove over and place it towards the corner of the stabilizer, then snap your 100-gram fuel canister into the lid. After that, put the lid on the stove and then pinch the base of the handle to fold it over, and you're good to go. The canister snaps into the lid to save space and to keep it from rattling in your pack. And as a bonus, there's even a spot to store a mini lighter between the lid and the bottom of the fuel canister. I am really excited about the Stash. At just 7.1 ounces, it's the lightest stove system that Jetboil has ever created. It's so small, you're gonna forget you're carrying it. Despite how small it is, it still boils water incredibly fast, so it's the perfect stove for big backcountry missions where weight and space are critical.
Cook your meals, charge your gear, and support the planet with the BioLite Camp Stove 2 Bundle Climate Neutral Edition. Featuring the wood-burning Camp Stove 2, Flex Light, Kettle Pot, and Portable Grill, all in a sleek gray-black colorway, you can cook, boil, and grill with this fully integrated system. Turn fire into electricity with the Camp Stove's flagship thermoelectric technology. The patented design creates smokeless flames and on-demand energy using nothing but the sticks and twigs around you. Designed for travel, the Kettle Pot doubles as a carrying case for your stove, and the grill packs up flat with an included cover that also works as a plate or cutting board. While every piece of gear from BioLite is carbon neutral, this special edition kit goes even further, with 10% of every sale going to Climate Neutral, a nonprofit dedicated to helping all brands measure, reduce, and offset their carbon footprint. Leave the gas canisters behind and enjoy a complete camp kitchen that creates wood-fired energy and contributes to protecting the outdoors we all love.
The new Pocket Rocket Deluxe stove is packed with premium features. Carrying forward the legacy of MSR's best-selling Pocket Rocket stoves, this deluxe model has a larger burner, lights with the push of a button, and was engineered for fast boil times across a wider range of temperatures. In the backcountry, colder weather or low fuel cause a stove to run slower. To combat this, we gave the deluxe model an internal pressure regulator. This regulator allows the stove to maintain fast boil times across a range of temperatures. We wanted the stove to work well on cold mornings or when your canister might be running low on fuel. Because of the built-in regulator, the deluxe model makes an excellent choice for 3-season adventures. The stove also comes equipped with piezo push-start lighting for fast, easy ignition. This piezo is the most durable one we've ever built. We internally routed the wire and set the electrode deep within the burner head for maximum protection. The piezo was designed to match the Pocket Rocket's legendary durability and offer many seasons of use. With its broad burner, the Pocket Rocket Deluxe generates a powerful flame despite its compact size, and the burner's lip adds wind resistance, increasing efficiency. Precision flame adjustment allows you to go from torch all the way down to simmer, and the stainless steel pot supports fold down to create an impressively small packed size. At just 83 grams or 2.9 ounces, the Pocket Rocket Deluxe packs in a ton of performance. For backpackers pushing the limits of 3 seasons, it offers one of the best overall cooking experiences in its class.
This is our Gigapower stove. Introduced in 1999, it was Snow Peak's first entry into the backpacking market. It's our most iconic and best-selling backcountry stove.